Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as y'all can see, today's video is glow up with me for the Ariana Grande concert. Yes, I am going to the Eternal Sunshine World Tour. We lit. I can't even talk, y'all. Today is Saturday. The concert is Tuesday. It's Tuesday in it. So I have my Amazon packages, everything I bought for the glow up. I want to bedazzle things. Like, I feel like I need a hobby outside of like filming TikToks and makeup and video, like doing this. So I feel like I need a hobby outside of that, and like playing games. Like, so I bought this, and yeah, this is how many rhinestones to come with. I know Ariana Grande is queen of the ponytail. Like, her hair, she has the ponytail. You know. So I bought a new flat iron, not because there's something wrong with my old one, but because I left my old one with my boyfriend. This new flat iron by Ann Larry. It was like $25. Oh, it comes with a glove. I needed one of these because I got a wand curler, and the only reason why I don't wand curl is because I need a glove and I didn't want to buy one. But yeah, I got a glove now. Yes, it's a hair straightener, and you can you know, curl with it. This is what it looks like. Really smooth ceramic. So since I don't flat iron my hair, I saw an ad for this, and Serena from Love Island, she was endorsing this too. Shea Moisture Silk Press in a bottle. Apparently it's supposed to be a silk press in a bottle. It says long lasting straight styles, protecting from heat damage up to 410 degrees, preserving your natural curl pattern. So that's really why I bought this, because I really want to preserve my natural curl pattern, because I'm a natural. I wear my hair curly. I wear my hair out, like. And then I bought the hair glue. Y'all know this shit stink. This glue works, but it smells like fish really bad. It really stink, but that means it's working. And then I bought some bundles, y'all. The bundles I bought, I'm gonna put them on the screen. It's from ARIANA. So these are the bundles. Oh, it came with a wig cap too. I don't know. I do want to make a wig, but that's not like on my priority list. So here are the bundles. I want to feel the hair though. So the lowest one, so I got 20 inches, I got 22, and I got 24. That shit stank. It just smell like, y'all know how hair be having a smell. It smells like that hair smell. It's like a little bit fishy. I don't like no fishy ass smell. Maybe it's the net though. The net. Yeah, I think it's the net. I don't know. Here's the bundle. Okay. I forgot what kind of hair I got, but y'all, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Okay, I washed my hair. I'm about to blow dry it. Come back. I'm using this silk press in a bottle. 1 pump per section. So 4 sections, 1 pump.
Come on. What's the point of being a witch?
Method to control the witch, the plain hardly get. I've always been partial to the classics.
You make a new friend. I don't count terrorists as friends. Wow. I've been accused.
Y'all see the hair is blow dried. Fully blow dried.
You taught me everything that I know. You taught me that
Okay, y'all, I'm plugging up my flat iron. You can watch it heat up. I'm going to 410.
We should have been back hours ago.
Before I paid her a visit.
All this. Plus Elijah running all over town. It's all for you. Yes.
Los Alice. How well your name fits you. Victor.
Oh. Nice job. Save you the trouble of
Okay, y'all, finished doing my hair, my silk press. Not the silkiest of presses, but wow, look at my hair, y'all. It definitely could be straighter, but I'm not doing this again. Like, I'm done. Okay, so this is, I think this is where I want the ponytails. I feel like this is even enough. I think my middle part is in the middle. It's okay. Honestly, I don't really care anyway. Like, they said pull out the edges. Okay, now we getting on to the part where it's the molding time. So I'm gonna watch another tutorial and then I'm gonna come back. But yeah, I think this is where I want them.
Nope, just picking up. I'm gonna be late for school. I've got a million college essays to review.
So I realized I don't know where my wax is and I don't feel like keep looking for it. So you're gonna go on with this got to be.
It is polite.
It helps with the other side, and then the lid does the phone help switch. Scared to do the special distinction of magic. Our rings aren't working.
What? Whole town square is filled with travelers who gotta get out of here. Tunnels. Vampire Diaries. Being around you drives me nuts.
Okay, now I'm about to wrap it with
Looks like I'm
this.
now saved you from both men. You found another job.
Well, get I'm already on it, mate. Still need someone to do this. Coming back from the dead spell, that shit we still over.
You're dead. And you're you. Caroline was right.
Where I hated you less, there was no magic. Cemeteries outside of the no magic.
Okay, we made it to the part where I use my bundles. So I have 20 and 22 inch. So I'm gonna do 20 on this side and 22 on this side.
Do you see a future? Is it at work? Hurry. East. You need to come.
Y'all, look at my hands. This shit is so much fucking work. The hairstylist made this shit look easy. The glue all on my hands. Like, dang. And y'all ponytail. As y'all can see, the ponytail just installed. Like, hold on. I feel like another person, but I feel like I did something wrong because am I supposed to fill my hair right here? But shit. And also it's looking like my part isn't in the middle, but it's okay. Y'all, today is the day of the concert. I'm about to just do my edges real quick. Got to be good.
Also, you know that's like, oh shit.
Yes. Let me snatch. Turn around, show the ribbon. Yes. I know that's right.
Do you want me to hold the beverage? She modeling the drink. Hold up.
I'm sponsored.
Okay.
Y'all.
You know I can just eat, right? You know I can eat without being hungry, right?
Look at the makeup.